My name is Shawn Cole, and I'm here to talk to you. You ever feel like you're doing all the right things in your business, posting daily, trying every tool, following every guru, but still nothing's working? You see others taking off, and you're left wondering, what am I missing? Let me tell you about Chris. He was overwhelmed, drowning in tactics, and getting nowhere. Chris made one shift, not a new tool, not a bigger budget. He changed his strategy. He stopped throwing spaghetti at the wall and started aiming with a laser. Everything changed. His engagement skyrocketed. Leads poured in. His business transformed. It wasn't magic. It was a fundamental shift in approach. Today, I'm going to show you how to make that same shift. Marketing isn't about doing more. It's about doing it right. Get ready to change the game. Would you walk into a busy gym packed with fitness enthusiasts and start yelling about your new protein powder, trying to interrupt their workouts with your sales pitch? Of course not. That would be completely out of place. Yet, that's what most people do online, shouting into the void, creating content without a strategy, reaching no one. It's like talking to a brick wall. Here's the shift, a crucial change in perspective. Find out where your people actually hang out online. Where are they spending their time and attention? Are they on TikTok, creating and consuming short form videos, LinkedIn, networking and building professional connections, YouTube, watching long form content and tutorials, Reddit, engaging in niche in communities and discussions? And don't guess, do the research. Validate your assumptions with data. Spend 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, searching for the keywords, phrases, and questions your audience uses. Understand their search patterns. Go where the conversations are already happening. Find the watering holes. Immerse yourself in their world. Become a part of their online environment. Listen before you speak. Observe before you contribute. Read what they're asking, the specific questions they need answered. Learn their pains, the challenges they're facing, dreams, their aspirations and goals, and the language they use. Pay attention to their vocabulary and tone. This is pure gold. Market research handed to you. It's invaluable insight into your target audience. When you understand their world, truly understand it, you can tailor your message to resonate deeply. You can speak directly to their needs and desires. Stop being an outsider shouting in. Stop being the unwelcome interruption. Become an insider offering real solutions. Become a trusted resource and valued member of the community. Action step. Spend 20 minutes today. Carve out just a little bit of time searching for your audience's keywords. Start building your understanding. Find those communities, the places where your audience gathers, forums, groups, and comment sections. Join the conversations. Don't be a silent observer. Don't just lurk, engage, participate actively in the discussions, add value, provide useful insights and information, answer questions, share your expertise and knowledge, be helpful, offer assistance and support to others. If you skip this, if you neglect this crucial step, you're wasting your time and money. You're throwing resources down the drain. This is non-negotiable for your success. It's a fundamental requirement. It's about precision, targeting the right audience with the right message, not brute force. It's about working smarter, not harder. Find the right pond to fish in where your ideal customers are swimming instead of trying to boil the ocean. Don't try to reach everyone. Focus on reaching the right people. Make that commitment to yourself and your business right now. Dedicate yourself to understanding your audience. Go find your people. They're waiting to connect with you. Their attention is the currency, the most valuable resource in the digital age. Be where they're spending it. Position yourself where you can capture their attention and offer them value. Imagine you're an aspiring basketball player, dreaming of hitting that game-winning shot. Would you just start shooting blindly, hoping for the best with no real strategy? Or would you study the champion on the court, meticulously analyzing their every move, their techniques, and their strategies? It's the same exact principle in business. Your competitors are already engaging your audience, vying for their attention and loyalty. Don't reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who paved the way, those who have already found success in your industry. Use tools like Sprout Social, SMrush, or ChatGPT to analyze your top 3 competitors and understand their strengths and weaknesses. Study their content, frequency, tone, and engagement. What's working for them, what's not, what strategies are resonating with their audience, and which ones are falling flat. Where are the gaps? This isn't about copying, it's about recognizing patterns and opportunities, identifying what makes them successful, and finding ways to innovate and improve. Drop their website into a research tool and ask, where are they winning? Where can I do better? Action step. Pick 3 competitors. Analyze their top content. Find one thing you can do better or differently to serve your audience. Maybe it's better storytelling, crafting narratives that captivate and resonate with your target demographic. Deeper tutorials, providing more comprehensive and valuable information to your audience, or a more personal connection, building trust and rapport with your audience through authenticity and transparency. This is about strategic learning, not jealousy. Stand on their shoulders to see further, gaining a broader perspective and identifying new opportunities. The answers are often in plain sight if you're willing to look, to analyze, and to learn from the successes and failures of others. Analyze, act, and sharpen your edge. This is how you prepare to win in the competitive landscape of business. Many avoid looking at their own analytics out of fear, but there's power in facing the truth. Hiding from your numbers is like driving blindfolded. You can't improve what you don't measure. Be courageous. Pull up your analytics today. Dive into your YouTube, email, and website data. Don't just look at vanity metrics. Find the meaningful data that tells the real story. Ask, what's working? What's not? Where are the bright spots? Use AI tools to spot trends and outliers you might miss. Let the data guide you to what you need to double down on and what to drop. Ruthless prioritization is key. Action step. Review your analytics today. Write down one thing that's working and one that's not. This simple act is the first step to real change. The numbers aren't there to judge, they're there to guide. Embrace the data, learn, and make smarter decisions. This is how you become a data-driven pro. Face the numbers, find your goal. The biggest killer of dreams isn't failure, it's distraction. Shiny object syndrome has you chasing every new trend, never mastering anything. Stop, breathe, focus. The key to breakthrough success is to pick one lane and go deep. Commit to one platform, content style, and master it. Ask, where do your strengths lie? Are you a great writer, speaker, or on-camera talent? Lean into what you're good at. Authenticity builds trust. Don't force yourself into a mold that doesn't fit. Sometimes the biggest opportunity is where the crowd isn't. Your lane doesn't have to be the most popular, just the most effective for you. Action step. Choose your best platform based on your strengths and audience. Commit to it for the next 30 days. Go all in. Create, engage, and track your progress. Go deep, not wide. Dig one deep hole, not 100 shallow ones. Focus your energy like a laser. Master your lane, then expand from a position of strength. Stop scattering your energy. Dominate your space. Instagram, with its endless stream of content, YouTube, the king of video, TikTok, they're great platforms for visibility, offering incredible reach. But remember, you don't own your followers there. You're essentially renting that audience, borrowing their attention. One algorithm change, a tweak in the system, and your carefully cultivated reach can vanish overnight, leaving you scrambling. You need to own the connection. Build a direct line to your audience. Build your email or SMS list now before it's too late. This is your most valuable digital asset, the foundation of your online presence. Use a simple, irresistible lead magnet, something enticing to draw them in, something your audience truly wants and finds genuinely useful. Offer a checklist to simplify their tasks, a comprehensive guide to solve a problem, a ready-to-use template to save them time, or a free consultation offering personalized advice in exchange for their email. Even a small, highly engaged list filled with your ideal customers is far more valuable than a million followers you don't control and can't directly reach. With your own list, a database of interested individuals, you control the conversation, you set the agenda, and guide the interaction. No algorithm can take that away. No platform can silence you. This is how you build a sustainable business, one that can weather any storm. And yes, if you want to level up your marketing game and truly excel, grab my free ebook. It's designed to help you do just that. The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. You can find it at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. It's packed with actionable strategies, real-world examples to supercharge your marketing and propel your business forward. Action step: set up a simple lead magnet and landing page today. Don't overthink it, just get started. Promote it everywhere you have a presence across all your social media channels. Start collecting emails and nurturing those relationships, providing value and building trust. Don't wait until you need a list. Start now. The best time to plant a tree was yesterday. Every email is a seed for future growth, a potential customer waiting to be nurtured. Own your audience, control your destiny, nurture the connection, build lasting relationships, and build a marketing asset that pays dividends for years to come. Build a fortress, not just a facade, a sustainable business, not just a fleeting trend. You've covered powerful ground today. Now, knowledge without action is useless. Pick one strategy from today and take massive, immediate action. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every time. Want to move faster? Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. You're one decision away from a marketing strategy that works. Stay consistent, stay focused, and take daily action. You got this. Now go make it happen.